Did you know your hiccups are literally a fish reflex? Like, from actual fish. 400 million years ago, our gill-breathing ancestors had a reflex that snapped water over their gills to help them breathe. Then fish became us, and evolution just forgot to delete it. Your diaphragm still runs that ancient code, completely unchanged, firing randomly for no useful reason. A glitch your body has shipped in every single update for 400 million years. And now it's ruining your Zoom call because your chest thinks it has gills.